Quick video for the guys that are running the Procharger with the center mount exhaust setup and you want to delete your MAF. When you delete your MAF, the pipe is a little short, so you have to kind of fill it in with extra piping or anything of the sort. We went with a really big coupler and it looks just massive, so I don't really like it. So I was able to get with Procharger, and if you want, this is the part number. It's a 3-inch extension, 90 degrees, and it's gonna fill in that. And then you only have a short coupler area. So I'll let you see it when it's finished. Just wanted to show y'all the difference in the pipe length. And voila. So there you have it. Got that pipe extension. That's a 3-inch. And here's the part number from Procharger. Hope that helped anybody that does the center mount intercooler or any other setup you may have and you just need that pipe. There you go.